Do you snore? Then this advice is for you. If snoring is affecting your quality of life, you need to take matters into your own hands and find a solution for it. This video is chock full of ideas on how you can minimize or eliminate your snoring. Keep watching and see if any of them will work for you. To curtail your snoring, you must first determine exactly why it is happening. For example, certain medical conditions cause snoring, and if you do not get it treated, your snoring will not get any better. The snoring may increase as the condition worsens. Quit smoking, or drastically cut back to stop snoring. Smoking causes all sorts of damage to your respiratory system and other parts of your body. If you are a heavy smoker, smoking might actually be the cause of your snoring problem. Quit smoking to stop the snoring and live a healthier lifestyle. Don't consume too many dairy products, especially at night. Dairy properties allow mucus to build up in your nasal cavities, and this will restrict the breathing through your nose at times, which can lead to snoring. If you're going to eat dairy, do it early in the day to reduce your chances of snoring. Elevate your head while you sleep, to reduce snoring. Use a very thick pillow to support your head. If one pillow isn't enough, use two. If your head is elevated, the airflow should be much better and you will not snore. Try to avoid consuming alcohol right before bed. Alcohol does help you relax, the problem is drinking alcohol right before bed causes the muscles of your airway to relax too much. This over-relaxation causes snoring which you may not notice. But, people around you will definitely be disturbed. The things suggested here will hopefully provide you with a solution to your snoring. There is nothing worse than being sleep deprived because of it. If you use these ideas and find one that works for you, you will feel like you've just won the lottery, and I guess, in a way you have. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.